This is our demo of the PiggyBack network platform. I'm logging in as a user, and there's a number of things we can do to get started. We'll start with the carpooling platform, where the first step we would do is create a location. Location can be any single address. We use our homes, our schools that our children are going to, any after school program, something like that. These are my existing addresses on the platform. If I want to add a new one, I'll go here and I'll say demo address. I'm gonna pick my childhood address. Call that demo address. Verify its address on the map, and then we will submit. And that address is now created. After creating a single address, we go to routes, and as long as we've got two addresses stored, we can now do a drop down of those addresses. Demo address is 1, and then one of the other addresses that we need to go to, Leonard, one of my children's schools, we'll name that as demo route. And then our route is successfully created. Once we have a route, we can either offer or request a ride. For now, I'll go to offer, and these are my existing offers in the platform. Go to offer new, then I can select all of my existing routes. I'll go to demo route, which I just created. This could be my Monday offer, and I'm going to select groups that I want to only allow these particular families to match with me. So let's say I only want to match with people from my dance studio and from one of my daughter's schools, and that's how we'll close that out. Days of the week, since this is my Monday offer, I'm only going to throw this in as Monday. Let's say my beginning of my route is 7:15, and I have a window of about 20 minutes that I can leave between 7:15 and 7:35. I need to be at the school between 7:50 and let's say 8:20 for a start time of 8:30. I can say how many seats I have available, and then I can submit that offer. Once that offer goes into the system, I'm eligible to be matched with other members. Once matched, members have access to a different piece. So the matches, there's going to be pending matches here. So for anyone that I'm offering a ride to, those pending matches would end up here, and I could go in and approve or deny. And any matches that I'm waiting for, this is me requesting a ride and I'm waiting for this offer to get back to me that they've agreed, then it's going to be sitting in my pending. And these are the list of approved matches that I've got, and then there's also a list of denied matches on the other side. So once matched, that's what we're going to do there. Once matches are approved, then I can go to the ride section, and I can actually take a look at all the rides that I've been able to execute, offers as well as request, and then I can also create a new offer or request based off of what my matched situation is. So I pick the matched member that I want to send something to. Let's take Elaine Little. I'm gonna request a ride from them. These are the two routes that we overlap. I'm gonna pick the date. It's gonna be next week on the 23rd, and calculate how many points that's gonna cost me. It's gonna cost me 23 points. And then I can send that offer to Elaine Little, my PiggyBack match. On her side, she's going to receive a request, and she can either approve it or deny it. And then once that ride is executed, she will accrue points for it, and it will deduct points from my platform. Thank you.